In this tutorial, I'm going to remind you of some of the things that are available on Discovery Education. So this is where you are going to log in, but you might get a pop-up up here about a tie-in to Office 365. We don't have that for educators because as a tech team, you would have to know your password, and for your protection, we don't. Please, if you already had one, or you think you might have had one, use this forgot your username or password if you did, instead of signing up with a new account. Once you're in here, my dashboard may look just a little different than yours, but I want you to understand that here are some ways that you can search, but this is by far, to me, the best tool here is just starting, and then with your magnifying glass, and it has really easy drill down tools. So I'm going to pretend I'm Chris Wandra, and the reason why I'm doing that is you probably already realize there are a ton of resources for math, social studies, science, reading, traditional academic areas, but I'm going to show you that it also has a vast array of resources for things like social emotional learning. So once I'm here, this is where I get my additional drill downs. I'm going to pretend I'm talking to a third grade class. So create with studio. No, I don't want to. And then I get to choose what I'm looking for. Maybe if I'm doing a PowerPoint, I want an image. And because this is copyright free, we paid for the subscription. You know, this has been a place that I will go to very often to use for PowerPoint images. Channels, just so you know, are resources clustered together, and then you can copy that channel and then edit out the resources or edit in some different resources as you wish. Most of us are probably going to go for videos. And then you can peruse what you're looking for. I'm going to pretend I want to see this. So you can see it's a 24-minute video, which is really extensive. The videos are split into segments. And with that, they give you a little introduction of what each of the segments are. I'm going to pretend I'm looking for responsible decision making, which everybody knows right now is washing your hands for 20 seconds. If I want to share this on my Microsoft Teams, and I apologize for the slow download, this is because I live in the country. I'm using my data off my hotspot, and that's what I have. I can share this, and it took me a long time, but it did work. I tested it. I could share it to Teams. I was logged in Teams. But what was a little faster for me is you can just download it, save it to wherever you want, and then upload that video back onto Teams. And the reason why this might be a little better option is you won't have to worry about your students remembering how to get into their Discovery Educations. They all have accounts that are linked into their apps. So they might have to do a search for all of their apps, but they all have them. If I miss somebody, just email me. As kids come and leave the district, I guess that could happen. So that's basically it. It has a ton of resources. I'm just going to do one quick one. Let's say I'm looking for music. And at this part, you're going to just see some more drill downs. I'm a high school music teacher. I could look under the topic of music. I might want closed captions for students that I'm trying to help with their reading so they can see the visual, they can hear the audio, and then with the words, it really helps to grow vocabulary. And then I just want to show you that we have different languages. So it might be very helpful for our Spanish teachers. And then again, you just choose from there. And you can put in better search words than music. That's pretty broad. So that is the long and short of Discovery Education. Have a great day.